Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to see our history, how to delete our history of payments in Google Play Store. And this process, you can do it. You can't do it do that process from the Google Play Store. You need to go to your Gmail and your settings of your account for delete that information, but I show you how you can do that. So the first step is, like you see, I show you you can delete that information from the Play Store, because you go here in the bubble of your profile, you go to payment and subscriptions, and here in budget and history, you don't have an option for delete that information of payment. So you need to go here in your Gmail, and you need to go to the bubble of your profile here, and after that we need to pick here in Google account. So in Google account we need to go to the option of data and privacy, and here you need to go down to the option of delete Google service, a Google service. So here we need to pick in Gmail, delete the information of Gmail. You need to put here your PIN for entering this information, and after that you need to pick in the option of Google and delete the information of Google for delete your information of payment. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.